Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Enable hotspot or plug the backup device into the router's USB port. You need the router's admin access. Log in, locate the failover or backup section, and set the alternate source to cellular or secondary ISP. Once done, test the backup device's connection to confirm it gets IP and internet. Make sure to set priority so the primary remains active until it truly fails, preventing unnecessary switches. Now you configure the middle steps that control behavior under stress. Create health checks based on ping, DNS resolution, or traffic volume, and set the failover trigger thresholds to avoid flapping. You must duplicate NAT and port forward rules on the backup path so services remain reachable. Otherwise, session loss will interrupt users. Once rule sets are mirrored, enable notification hooks that alert you when failover occurs, and schedule periodic simulated failovers to validate the entire chain of routing and services. Finish by executing final checks and one key troubleshooting recommendation. Conduct a controlled cutover while monitoring services and response times so you know true behavior in an outage. You should inspect logs to confirm route change timestamps, then tweak thresholds to reduce false positives. Make sure firmware is up to date and that SIM or hotspot data remains active. If something goes wrong, prioritize checking power, antenna placement, or signal, and duplicated NAT/port conflicts before changing core routing rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.